Okay, so hello you guys. I'm back again with another tasty treat. No, I think this is a delicious eat. You know, the holiday is just around the corner, the 4th of July. And every 4th of July, we always have some kind of pasta salad. I don't know why, but it became a tradition. So today, I have a new spin on macaroni salad. This one's going to be a little bit different. Okay, let's get started. So, again, macaroni salad, there's nothing new about that, or pasta salad. I'm just using elbow macaroni, and I'm using about 8 ounces, and you just cook it for 6, 7, or 8 minutes in a pot of boiling water. Take it out and let it drain after 6 or 7 minutes, or even up to 8 minutes if you want it really firm or really tender. It's your choice. Okay, so this is a Hawaiian, I don't think I said that, a Hawaiian salad. Well, my take on it anyway. Everyone may make it a little bit different, and you can do that. You can make the recipe your own, but this is my take on a Hawaiian pasta salad or macaroni salad. So I have some no, not cucumbers, excuse me. I have some celery, and I'm just cutting it up kind of fine, not too big, not too small. And that's about a half a rib of celery. If you don't really like celery, you can use less. If you do, you can use a whole stalk or whole rib. Excuse me. Okay, another cut. Okay, I'm gonna cut this up too. And you don't want it too big, but you don't want it too small either. You really want to taste it inside of your pasta salad. And if the ingredients are kind of small, it could get lost and you're not quite sure what you're eating. And again, all of my recipes have to be delicious, quick, and easy. And this is a quick and easy pasta salad that you can have out for your family in no time. Okay. I think that's enough celery. Even though in my home we love celery. So, but again, if you don't, you can add less. Or you can omit it. You don't have to use celery. This recipe is open to all variations. If you really don't like celery, you can leave it out. I'm gonna give it one more chop. Okay, so we have our celery. Now I'm also putting in scallions. Now when you make your salad, let me know, do you use scallions? I know a lot of people don't. They use onions, but scallions is a little bit more milder than onions. So if you want a milder taste and something a little bit mild, sorry, not as strong as onion is what I'm trying to say, then use scallions. Okay, I'm just gonna give this a little chop. And again, not too fine, not too big. And that's about 3. And again, if you don't like scallions, you don't have to put it in. You can use onion instead. But give it a try. Okay, so now we have our celery and we have our onions. And I'm just going to move this bowl over. This is the macaroni noodles. That bowl, I cook mine for 7 minutes because I want them really tender. If you cook it for 6, it'd be a little bit more firm. So for 7 minutes was great for me. And this is about 8 ounces. So it's about half a box. A box is about 16 ounces. And I'm using 8 ounces. So I'm going to move this over here and I'm going to bring this bowl. This is going to be my mixing bowl. Okay, I'm going to put in my, let me see if I could get a better view for you, because I don't like that view. Okay, so I decided just to mix it in a bowl that is already in and just call it a day. So that's what we're going to do. I'm not going to change bowls. I think this bowl is big enough to be a mixing bowl. Okay, so like I said earlier, we have our noodles. And you want to take them out and let them cool a little bit. You don't really want them too hot because you will add mayonnaise to it. And if it's very warm, it will really, like, for lack of a better word, cook the mayonnaise and make it really watery. You don't want that. So here we go. We're going to add our celery and our scallions. And you can really do this the night before or the morning of. And that's another thing I love, is that you don't have to wait till the last minute to prepare this. It's really easy prepared, and you can do it, like I said, the night before or the morning of. Okay, now to that, I'm going to add black pepper. Just regular black pepper. And if you don't like black pepper, you can omit it, but it will add a nice flavor to it. And I'm only going to add about 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to sprinkle it all over the noodles. Okay. Now I forgot. This is a Hawaiian pasta salad. I think I did say that. And carrots, can't be Hawaiian without my carrots. So I'm just going to shave, I think I'm in, yeah, about a half a carrot. And again, if you like more, you could put more. If you like less, you could put less. For my family, I think I'm used to big grater. Yeah, this is easier. It doesn't have to be that fine. You can use the big side of your grater. Please take a minute, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It costs you nothing, but it really helps the channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what ingredients you would use, or have you ever tasted Hawaiian pasta salad? Okay, I think that's enough carrots for now. Okay, now I'm going to put in the carrots. And this is also a beautiful color salad too, with the orange and the green and the white. And we can't have a pasta salad without mayo. And I'm using a half a cup, but you can use more if you want. Okay, so here we go. And you can use any mayo that you like. I'm not putting any salt into this because the mayonnaise have salt in it already. Now, I'm also going to add, this is kind of different for me, apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to start off with 1 tablespoon. I might use a little bit more, or I may just put in some more mayonnaise. And again, Hawaiian brown sugar. I bet you never put that in your pasta salad, or maybe you have. Let me know. Okay. Again, your family be thinking you're going to send them to make them the same pasta salad you do every year. You can do a spin on it. Hawaiian pasta salad. And I'm also going to use about a tablespoon of brown sugar. And again, you can use less, a half a tablespoon if you want. And I'm going to start mixing this up. You'll see how we get. Okay, it's mixing pretty good. I think it's coming together. But I think I'm going to add about a little bit more mayo, because I don't really want it dry, but it is so beautiful. Okay, maybe not. This is a beautiful salad. I don't know if you guys can see it because of my lighting. I'm trying to get a better view for you. Wow, I really hate this light. I'm going to play with the light for a few minutes. Hopefully you could get a better view of the salad. Okay, so now it's thoroughly mixed. And let me just move this over. So again, we have pasta, we have carrots, scallions, and celery. We have apple cider vinegar and mayo and black pepper. Very easy salad. And since this is in the spirit for the 4th of July, I'm going to use this bowl, this little platter actually, to put my salad on. Oh, this is so beautiful. I wish I had better lighting so you guys can see it. But please don't let that stop you. Give it a try. Let me know how you liked it. Take a moment hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It costs absolutely nothing, but it helps the channel. Until next time, enjoy.